This is me. My name is Dilpreet Kaur and I am your mathematics teacher. Now, let's move on to the coordinate geometry and we are on the last topic that says summary and some practice questions. Now today as we have only one school, so there is a battle between girls and boys. So everyone be prepared and everyone should be attentive and we'll see that who will win today. Now, so, what did we learn in the last class? Let's just revise a little bit that we learn about plotting of points. We learned a rule, right? Everybody remembers that rule? Anyone can tell me what was the short form of the rule? OXY, oxy, right? Who remembers oxy? Kindly raise your hands. Okay, most of the girls remember, but boys, okay, they're also raising their hands. Good. So, plotting of points we have done in the last class, and we also did some questions. Now, today also we'll be doing a summarized section of all the chapter, and we'll be doing some good questions, some difficult questions based on coordinate geometry. Now, let's start. So this is a chapter roadmap. We are done with the introduction to coordinate geometry. We are done with the Cartesian system where we learned about the introduction. Here we were done with the origin and in the last class we were done with plotting on Cartesian plane. And today we are here on the last lecture of this chapter that says super practice session. Now, let's start this. So what we have first, we have a question. So everybody should be attentive. I'll be asking you a question that is related to the last class. So I hope everybody remembers what we did in the last class and you all will be able to answer this question, right? Now I'll be calling 3, 3 from boys and from girls. Remember how we count? From this left end. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So from boys and girls, from both, I want 3, 3. Third row, third column. So the marks battle will start now, okay, with this question. Now, okay, you both are ready?
Yes, madam.
Okay, great. So which of the following points verifies xy that is equal to yx? Okay. Now, these are your options. So you have to tell me. First, the boys.
All, madam.
You're saying all?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Girls?
All, madam.
Okay. You can sit down. Both of you can sit down. Thank you so much. So here, the first option says 2, 2. That says if x is 2, y is 2, and in this case, x is equal to y. Here, xy is equal to yx. In the second case, we have to solve this part first, right? That is 5, 2 plus 3. And we know that 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2, 2 is the correct answer. 5, 5 is the correct answer. 1, 1. We are talking about this. So this is also correct answer. So all the three options here, they include x, y. It is equal to y, x. Do you remember why? Because here x is equal to y. Everybody remember this?
Yeah.
Great, great. So D is the correct option that both girls and boys have given to me. Now, just telling D is the correct option. So between boys and girls, right now, 1 point each, right? Now, moving on to the next question, I'll be calling 1, 3 from boys and 1, 3 from girls. Very happy that he has been chosen. Okay, great. Now, moving on to the next question, that is this. In which of the following points y is greater than x? Okay, so first of all, girls will answer. So these are 4 options. Now you have to tell me which one is the correct one.
A, madam.
You are saying A. Okay. Boys?
B, madam.
Okay, boys are saying B. Okay, you can sit down. Both of you can sit down. Great. So y is greater than x. First of all, what is x and what is y? These are x and y that is in a ordered pair. Okay, so x will come first and y will come after. So let's take in 2 comma 0 what we have. I think we have here x is greater than y. That is not our case. We asked y is greater than x. Now in 0 comma 2 what we have y greater than x. Great. In 1 comma 1 we have y equal to x. That is not the case we are asking. And all is not the correct option. So 0 comma 2 is the correct answer. So boys good. I thought that if girls are saying this, then boys will be also saying the same answer. Good. You have answered correctly. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now between boys and girls, boys are at 2 points, girls with 1 point, and here 0 comma 2 is the correct answer. So that's why I always told you to be attentive, be get awareness. Yes. Somebody was saying something. Okay, no, okay. Let's start with the next question and I'll be calling. Okay, so if these are boys, I want last member. And if these are girls, I want the last member from here. Last member of boys and girls. Okay. Okay, so everybody be attentive. Now, this is your question. In which of the following points y is less than x? Okay, so you have to tell me in which of the following points y is less than x. So first of all, boys will go. These are your options and you have to tell me where y is less than x. Nobody will say any answer. Kindly take your time. You have to answer it yourself. Okay, so girls are saying B. Boys, which one? You can show your fingers.
A, madam.
Okay, you are saying A. Okay. Okay, you both can sit down. Thank you so much. Now, which are the following points where y is less than x? We have to check. We have x comma y. Now 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2, which number is less than the other? Minus 2 is a smaller number. Minus 2 is less than 2. Everybody understand this point? Everyone, girls? Minus 2 is less than 2. So here y is less than x. And in the next part, if we see in 0 comma 1, here y is greater than x. So this is not the case that we are wanting. 1 comma 1, here y is equal to x. That we also don't want. So we want this one. So girls, you have to be attentive. I know you know the answer. You can take as much time as you want, but tell me the right answer. Okay. So now there is a difference of 2 points. Boys and girls, 3 and 1. Okay. Now girls, you have to cover this difference and boys, you have to answer every question correctly. Okay. So best of luck to both and let's see. Let's see another question. Okay. So I'll be calling. Okay. If these are boys, I want this boy. And if these are girls, I want this girl. I'm wanting 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. See, left hand 1 comma 1. From girls, 1 comma 1. Okay. Everyone, take your time and read the question carefully and then answer the question. Okay. So this is the question. While plotting 9 comma minus 7, what should we do first? So these are your 4 options.
A, madam.
You are saying A, boys.
A, madam.
Okay, same answer. Okay, you can sit down. Thank you so much. So whatever will be the point 9 comma minus 7 0 comma minus 3, any point, plotting any point will start from origin. Okay, so both have given the correct answer. Starting from origin is the correct answer. So after this question, boys are at 4 points and girls are at 2 points. Okay, so we are done with this question. Now what will we learn in today's class? We will do a little summary of this chapter and then we do some practice questions. Okay, so you will be enjoying this lecture. There will be some new topics also. So be here with me till the last point and be attentive. Okay, now starting the summary, what we have here. Now, in this Cartesian plane, what we used to learn. Everybody remember this is quadrant 1, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So in a group, can you tell me what are the signs of this plus and plus, right? Plus and plus. And here minus comma plus. So everybody will answer, okay? In a joint, you can answer. So in Q3, minus and minus. Yes. And in Q4, we have plus and minus, right? These are the 4 quadrants. So we learned about 4 quadrants where the points will lie. Okay. Now, the boy number 1 comma 4, kindly stand up. Okay. Kindly stand up. Now, can you tell me if I have a point minus 1 comma 0, where will it lie in the quadrant? So you have to answer yourself. Okay. Nobody will answer.
Second, madam.
You are saying second quadrant?
Second and third, madam.
Okay, second and third. Okay. Okay. So if I plot the point, will you help me in plotting this point minus 1 comma 0? So I should start from origin, right? Now, where should I go? Where should I go first? To plot the x point, I have to go somewhere, right? Left or right?
Left, madam.
Okay, left. Till this point, okay? And I'll be here, right? Minus 1 comma 0 will be here. Now, is this a quadrant or an axis? Quadrant or axis? Which one of these? It's quadrant or axis? This point lies on axis or a quadrant? Axis. So you were saying 2 and 3. It is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, madam.
Incorrect. Okay. So this line is a different place. Okay. This area is different place. It is not including any x-axis or y-axis. Do you understand?
Madam.
Will you remember? So if I have a point 4 comma 0, where will it lie?
Axis, madam.
X-axis. This will be the point. Okay. 4 comma 0. So this will not lie in any quadrant. It will lie on x-axis, right?
Madam.
Okay. One more point. Can we try? Can we try one more point?
Madam.
Okay. So I have point 0 comma 3. Where will it lie?
Axis, madam.
Axis, which axis? X or Y?
Y-axis, madam.
You are saying Y-axis?
Madam.
Positive or negative?
Positive, madam.
Positive. 0, 3 will be here. 0 comma 3. Okay. So are you sure you will remember this question?
Madam.
So in assignments or your weekly test, you will answer it correctly?
Madam.
Promise?
Madam.
Okay. You can sit down. Thank you. Okay. So we have these points and these points lie on x-axis or y-axis which have some coordinates as 0, right? So I'll be calling the girl that is on the rightmost corner. So in the first line, kindly come forward. Okay. So you have to tell me that okay. So I have a point 0 comma minus 4. Where will this point lie?
Negative y-axis.
Okay. It is your answer or somebody is telling?
My answer.
Okay. So 0 comma minus 4 will be on negative y-axis here, right? So if I want to ask that what is the distance of this point? Let this be A point. Okay. What is the distance of this point from x-axis? Can you tell me?
4, madam.
Yes, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 units. As there is no unit here, centimeter or meter, so we will write 4 units. Okay. Now, if I ask you, what is the distance of this point from y-axis?
0, madam.
0, right? Because this point is on the y-axis. It is clear, right?
Madam.
Okay. So if I have a point this, that is 2 comma 0. So what is the distance of this point from y-axis? Can you say it again?
4, madam.
See, 2 comma 0 is this point and this is y-axis, right?
Madam.
So what will be the distance from y-axis?
2, madam.
2, right? Not 4, it is 2.
Madam.
So 2 units. Okay. Now let's have a point here. That is minus 2 comma 2. Now if I have to find the distance of this point with the x-axis, can you tell me? We will always count the perpendicular distance. See, this is perpendicular with x and this is perpendicular with y. Now, what is the distance with x-axis?
Minus 4 minus
Y4 is coming. See, minus 2 comma 2. Forget everything. See, only this point is here. This is point C, minus 2 comma 2. What is the distance of this point with x-axis?
2 minus 2, madam.
Only 2. See, only 2. We have started from 0. We go till minus 2, right? Minus is only showing us the direction. It is left direction, that is negative points. Positive direction is positive points, right direction. Minus 2 is not a distance. Distance cannot be negative. Okay. So this is 2 units in the left direction or 2 units in x dash direction. Is that clear?
Madam.
So this will be 2 units. This will be 2 units. So we have to move 2 units in the x, in the negative x, and y in 2 units in the positive y. So every distance is 2 units, right? Okay, you can sit down. Thank you so much. So I hope you understand something. We know about quadrants. We know about the signs of the quadrants. Then we know about the points which are lying on the x-axis and y-axis. Then we are learning how to plot a point and
Madam, your screen is not visible, madam. Your voice is not audible, madam.
is that clear, everyone?
No, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, great. So next what we are doing? We are just revising the plotting of a point. Okay. Now we need two references to locate the exact position. We always need two. See, x and y will be two references to locate any point in the exact position. A point or an object in a plane can be located with the help of two perpendicular lines. These are just extra facts that you already know, but in a different language. Okay. These are some extra facts that we are doing. So a position or an object in a plane can be located with the help of two perpendicular number lines. You already know this. These are perpendicular to each other, x and y. Now, one of them is horizontal, that is x-axis, and one of them is vertical, that is y-axis. Now, I can also ask you what is the vertical line. You have to tell me that it is y-axis. If I'll ask what is the horizontal line, you will tell me it is yes, it is x-axis, right? So horizontal is x and vertical is y. This is also an extra point, right? For plotting a point. Now moving ahead, what we have here, in plotting a point, you all know that Cartesian plane is named after Rene Descartes. He was a mathematician. Now, the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is the origin. You all know what is origin? 0, 0 is the origin.
Yes, madam.
Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. The ordered pair x, y is different from y, x. They are not equal. Okay, x, y is not equal to y, x. They are only equal when x is equal to y. When x is equal to y. Now, the equation of x-axis is given by y is equal to 0. Everybody remember when we are plotting points here. This point is 1, 0. This is 2, 0. This is 3, 0, which means y is equal to 0 on x-axis. Do you understand this point?
Yes, madam.
You have learned about linear equations, right?
Yes, madam.
So the points which are on the x-axis are denoted by the line y is equal to 0. And the equation of y-axis, here you have plotted points like 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So I am noticing that x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So here the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So kindly note it down. These are some new points for you. The equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So everybody understand this point?
Yes, madam. Madam, 1 minute, madam.
Yes, sure. So these two are the new points. Everything else you already know. The name of the mathematician, René Descartes, the point of intersection, that is origin, and the points of origin, which are 0, 0. Ordered pair xy is not equal to yx, and they're only equal when x is equal to y. Is it done?
Yes, madam.
Okay, let's move further and let's have. Now, I hope now everybody remembers rules of plotting. That is the short form. O, that is for origin, right? X, that is for move along x-axis. And Y, that is for move along y-axis. So what is the short form? Everyone. It's oxy, right? So just remember this thing. O is for origin, that we have to start from the origin. X, in whatever direction is the point, positive or negative, right? And in Y, whatever be the direction, positive or negative, we have to move along the y-axis. So origin, x-axis and y-axis, which turns out to be oxy, and you will remember like for your whole life. Okay. So I hope this is also done and we have revised this part. Now, what we have, now let's practice only one question. Now, if I have a point that says -2, comma, -5. So how do I start? Everybody will tell me together. So I should start with, okay, so I should start with origin. So first point is origin. Now I should move to left or right? Left. Till what point? Okay. So -2, I'm stopping here. So now I have to move up or down? Okay. Till what point? -5. So should I stop here? This is my point, -2, comma, -5, right? should I do next? One more point is left. What should I do next? Find the quadrant. So what is the quadrant? Quadrant third. And one more point is left. Can you tell me? Anyone? Any guesses? I have my point. I have the quadrant. Now, how should I call this point? I'll say, hi, hey, -2, -5, come here. No, I should give him a name. Give that point a name, right? So it could be A, B, C or anything, right? So we will say we have plotted point A, that is -2, -5, right? Everybody understand this point? Okay. So the summary point is over. Now let's see one more new thing. Now in the morning, when you get ready for the school, what's the thing that you always do? Any guess? What is the thing? You look at the mirror. You look at the mirror. How good you are looking. Girls look at their braids. How good they are looking for the school. So everyone uses mirror in the morning, right? Everyone uses? No. Why? I know everyone uses. Boys especially use when they put their hands in their hair. So here, when everyone uses the mirror, have you noticed the distance of you with the mirror is equal to the distance of mirror with the image you are watching? Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Girls, I'm not listening your voice.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So distance of the object, suppose this is the mirror. Okay. So the person is standing here. Now the distance of the person with the mirror, it is equal to the mirror and the image. Right? We have an image here. So this is the same distance. This is the same distance. So we have to keep this thing in mind while we are studying the next thing, right? The reflection of a point. We have to find the reflection of points. Now, distance of the object from the mirror, it is the only rule we are using. Let's move. Now, if we have this Cartesian plane and I am just drawing one point, that is this 1, 1, right? So can you tell me, okay, so 1, 2, kindly stand up. I'm giving points on this basis, okay? From boys and girls, 1, 2, kindly stand up. So what were the points of boys? Boys are at what points? 4. And girls?
2, madam.
Okay. Okay. So kindly tell me what is the distance of this point with the x-axis, girls?
1, madam.
1 unit, right? So you have to tell me unit also, 1 unit. Okay. So boys, what is the distance of this point with y-axis?
1, madam.
Okay, 1 unit. Okay. So you have 1 unit and 1 unit. Now you have to tell me, you remember the rule that distance of this point is A, suppose. Distance of point. Now if I say this y-axis is the mirror, okay. I want to find the reflection of this point on the other side of the mirror. So distance of point is equal to distance of image. So can you guess? If anybody guesses it right from the girl and the boy, I'll be giving 2 points. Okay. What is the image of this A point in y-axis on this side? Kindly try. Take your time. Nobody will say anything from the back. No. I'll cut points. So you can try. I will not cut points if you take guesses. Okay, girl and the boy who are standing.
Start from origin -1, madam.
I said nobody will say from the back. See, A point is 1, 1. I want to find a point that is the image point in y-axis. So the girl and the boy standing, can you have any guesses?
Start from origin, madam.
No, I am not plotting the point. See, I just have to equate the distance. This is the distance 1 unit. I want 1 unit here.
Yes, madam.
So what will be the point?
-1, madam.
-1. And y, what is y? X comma y. I need an ordered pair.
1, madam.
-1 and 5, 1, madam.
-1 and 1 you are saying, right?
Madam.
Yes, this is correct. So the girl has answered it correctly. I'm giving 2 points. Okay. Now, see. Here,
First, madam.
so he was not speaking clearly. I heard the girl only. And you were speaking from behind, so I can cut the marks, but I'm not doing this.
Sumer is supporting, madam.
So that's why what I'm saying, whosoever I'm asking, that person will answer. You both can sit down now. I'll be calling the next person now. What we have here, this is the point of the object in the mirror. The distance is 1 unit. Now, behind the mirror, the distance should be 1 unit. Okay. So we reach to this point. Now we know how to mark this point. This is -1, 1. Okay. Now I'll be calling 2, 2 from boys and girls. Kindly come fast. Okay. So again, the points will be given as 2 points. If both will answer, I'll be giving 2 points for both. Right. Now you have y-axis as the mirror. Now I am changing that. Okay. Now x-axis is the mirror. X-axis is the mirror. The point is same. 1, 1. You have to find the image in the mirror, that is x-axis now. Right. If the point is in first quadrant, the image will be in fourth quadrant. Can you try?
-1, comma.
Nobody will look back.
1, comma, -1.
You are saying 1, -1. Okay. This point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the girl, can you guess?
Same answer, madam.
Same answer? Okay. So I know people are cheating. I know that. So this is 1 unit. What is this distance? Can you tell me? This is 1 unit. What is this distance? Can you tell me?
1 unit.
It is also 1 unit, right? It is also 1 unit because of the law. The law we are using, distance of point, it is equal to distance of image. So this is 1. That's why the point is 1, -1, right?
Okay, madam.
2 points are given to both boys and girls. Now you both can sit down. Now this is an extra topic that we are learning, and that is a practical topic, very practical topic, right? We are in a day-to-day life, we always see mirror. Now we have a rule. Image in x-axis. What is the conclusion that we have? If image is found on the x-axis, then its x coordinate will remain same and y coordinate will change its sign. See, if we have a point here, 1, 1, we will get a point here, 1, -1. If x-axis is the mirror. So what happens? X coordinate remains same, right? But y coordinate change its sign. Only sign got changed. If image is found on the x-axis, then its x coordinate will remain same and y coordinate will change its sign. Any doubt in this? Are you sure? Okay. So let's move on to the next part. Now we have a point here. Let's say the point is here, 3, 2, right? So with this rule, can you directly tell me what is the image in x-axis? X coordinate remains same and y coordinate become negative. So what will be the point?
3, -2.
Yes, 3, -2. So you do not have to like judge. You have to just remember this rule that x coordinate will remain same and y will change its sign. So 3 comma 2 will become 3 comma minus 2, right? Now let's move on to the next rule that says if image is in y-axis. Now if we have a point 3 comma 2 here and we have to find in y-axis, right? Now the point y coordinate will remain same and x coordinate will change its sign. That means it becomes minus 3 comma 2. Is that clear?
Yes, madam.
3 comma 2 in y axis will become minus 3 comma 2. The y coordinate will remain same and x coordinate will change its sign. Is that clear?
Yes, madam.
So let's practice one question. Okay, so I'll be calling someone. Now, can you tell me what is the score till now? I think 6 and 6. Okay. So, the next question is also for 2 marks. Very basic question, and you have to answer it with your like using your full brain and attentiveness. Okay. So, I'll be calling 4 comma 3 from boys and girls. Fourth line, third column. In girls also, fourth row, third column. So nobody will say anything. You both will give me fingers, okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Understand?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So this is your question. Which of the following points is the reflection of 0, comma 0? Okay. So these are your options. So you have to tell me 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So girls are saying? Okay. Fingers, fingers, fingers. Yes. Okay. So boys and girls are saying D. And what is the answer? No, none is okay, none is correct, but what is the correct answer?
0, 0, madam.
Yes, 0, comma 0 is itself the image and the object here, right? Because it is on the mirror. It is on the mirror. Great, you guys, great. So 2 points to both. We have now 8 and 8. Great. So none is the correct answer. You both can sit down. Now I'll be calling 5, comma 1 from both girls and boys. I have, I think, 4, comma 1. Okay, girls have 4 rows. Okay. So 4, comma 1 I can call. Okay, so from boys 4, comma 1. Kindly come fast. So these are the points we are having right now, 8, comma 8. So 2 points will be given to each, right? If the answer is correct. So this is the question. Which of the following points is the reflection of 0, comma minus 1 in x-axis?
Madam.
Fingers, fingers,
B,
fingers.
madam. B, madam.
Okay. You are saying P is the correct answer? So the point is 0, comma minus 1, that is here. In x-axis, it will be here, right? 0, comma 1, right? Okay, you both can sit down. The points are now 10 and 10. Now, moving to the next question we have, I think, okay. So I will be calling 2, comma 4 from boys and 2, comma 4 from girls. Second row, fourth boy. Second row, fourth boy. Yes. Yes, yes. Second row, fourth boy. I'll be showing you the question. Whosoever is fast in telling me the answer in fingers. Okay. Kindly listen to the rules again. Whosoever will be giving me the answer fast and showing me the fingers on the camera, that person will get points. Now this is your question and these are your options. Okay. So both have given me B, right? So boys and girls have given me 4,3.
Boys, madam. Madam,
Girls and boys both have given me correctly at the same time. So minus 4 comma 3 will be here, right? You are saying in y-axis the answer is 4 comma 3. Yes, it is correct. And we get the points at 12 and 12. You both can sit down. Thank you so much. You are fast. You were very fast. Good. Now, let's practice some questions. Now, both are at 12 points. Now, we have to find you. Here, whosoever will show me your hand and answer this. This is complete X. This is Y. I am telling that these two are equal, which means individually they are equal. Individually they are equal. So you have to find U. Can you able to find? So somebody has answered. Kindly show me your hand and then answer. Okay. So what's your answer?
No, madam.
Okay. Okay. So boys are getting points. Okay. So 12 plus 2. Now what we have. Now I'll be giving another question. Just wait. So 2u plus 1, it is equal to 5. That means 2u is equal to 4. U is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Whosoever will show me their hand and tell me the answer will get the points. Okay. Now this is the next question. What's the answer?
-1, madam.
Okay. So no one from girls? Why? So 16, it was 16, 12, 16. Okay. So what we have to do, x is exactly same. So for y, we have to compare. 7x is equal to minus 7 will give me x is equal to minus 1. So you have to write in this manner. Okay. Comparing the coefficients, comparing the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now we have a next question that says find the area of triangle ABC. So we have to plot these points and then find the area. Right? Let's do that. Now, for 1 comma 1, what we have to do? We have to start from origin and we have to move in right or left direction
Right, madam. Right,
till
madam.
1. Okay. Now up or down?
Up, madam. Up.
So we have this point, right? That is point A. Now, for B point, we have to start from origin and then
Left, madam.
left till what point?
-4.
-4, then up or down?
Up.
Up till this point, right?
1.
Now this is point A, this is point B. We have to plot point C. Now we have to start from origin and then
Left.
we are going left, okay, till point -1. Now up or down?
Up.
Up till point 3. So this is point C. Now let's join these. Let's join these. So for area of triangle, we have the formula as half into base into height. So you have to tell me what is the base here, AB, BC or CA? AB is the base, right? And what is H? H will be this height. H will be this height. Now, anyone can tell me the answer? Then I'll compare with my answer. Okay. Nobody is using notebooks. Everybody is looking at the screen.
Madam, -6, madam.
Okay, you have said -6. Okay, I'm writing down the question. This is from boys. So girls, any answer from your side?
No, madam. No, madam.
No answer?
Yes, madam. No, madam.
Kindly come forward. Any girl can kindly come forward and tell me your answer. Same answer. Can area be negative?
Madam, answer copying, madam, answer.
Area cannot be negative. What is the correct answer?
No answer.
Are you sure -6 is the correct answer?
Yes, madam.
Minus, I am just telling that area of some figure cannot be negative. It is not correct. So what is the correct answer? Again, kindly come forward. I cannot hear.
21 and a half. Madam.
21 and a half. Okay. 21 and a half means 21 by 2, you are saying?
Yes, madam.
Okay, let's check. See, AB, what is the length of AB? Here it is 4 units and here it is 1. So it is 5 units here. And height is 1 and 2. So starting from 1 till 3, we have 2. So that is equal to 10 by 2. Right? That is equal to 5. So everyone's answer is incorrect. So do you understand how this is correct? Anyone? Why the energy is so low?
Madam. Madam.
How you are getting the length of AB? It is like from 0, just changing my pen. Starting from 0, here we have 4 units, right? Here we have 4 units, but 1 unit here also. So total of 5 units we have. Total of 5 units we have. So AB is 5 and talking about this height, what we have started from 1 till 0.3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 5 and 2. 2 got cancelled and 5 is the correct answer. And in fact, we write 5 square units. This is the correct answer. So I hope you understand now and you'll be able to answer the next question. Will you try?
Yes, madam.
Okay,
Madam.
let's see. Let's see. Now the next question is for 4 points. Okay. You have to do it yourself in your notebooks and I am doing mine. Let's compare the answer. Okay. And the winner will get 4 marks. Now girls, you have a chance that you will equate the scores. Boys are having 16 and girls are at 12. Right? You can win also. So everybody, just look at this question. Look at the question, plot the question, find the area and tell me the answer. 4 points will be given to the correct answer. I hope you remember the steps that we did in the last question. Plotting all the points, then finding the base and the height. So we have the area as half into base into height. I think the procedure is really easy. This is point O. Anyone with the answer? Who is saying? Girls or boys?
Boys, madam. Boys.
Boys are saying 3. Girls? Do you have any answer? 3 by 2. Okay, let's check. So this is O, this is A, and B is 3, 0, right? So if this is the triangle, You can match the triangle with me. Okay, this is my triangle. This is point B. Now I can take this as base or this as base, and the other one will be the height. Okay, so this is the answer will be same for both things. If I'm taking this as base, this is 3, and height it is 2. So we are getting 3 square units as the correct answer. So is that correct? Is that correct? So boys are getting correct answer. 4 points to boys. Okay, everybody understood? Girls, do you understand where is the mistake? Okay, so this is the height. Okay, or you can take this as base. Still, it will be base will be 2 and height will be 3. Right? So this triangle has 3 and 2 units as base and the height. Now, let's move on to the next question. That will be the last question. Okay. Now, I'm still giving you a chance. Boys at 20, girls at 12. Okay. Now, this question, I'll be giving 8 points. If the girls can do, there will be a tie. If boys can do, they are on the top. Okay. So, last chance for everyone. Everyone will give their 100% in this question. We have to find the area of triangle ABC. A is this, B is this, C is this. Just start the question. Same steps you have to follow. Plot the points and then find the base and the height and put it in the formula. That's so easy and everyone can do this. I want both will answer correctly. I'll give points to both boys and girls. But let's see who will answer first. Will girls be able to tie with the boys, or boys can beat girls and be at the top? Let's see who will answer. I'm watching everyone. Everyone is trying, practicing. Area of triangle ABC. Let's see, let's see. Not a tough question. What's taking time? Yes, you are saying 5. Okay. Boys, you are saying 5? 3 by 2.
15 by 2.
Okay. Can you say it again?
15 by 2.
15 by 2. Right? Okay, let's check now. Girls and boys have different answer. If they have come with the same answer, I'll be sure. Now I have to check. So A is 1, comma 1. This is A. B is minus 4, comma 1. That is B here. And C is minus 1, comma 3. Oh, I think this is the same question we have already done. No, why haven't you tell me that this is the same question? No, this question will not count. Next question. Next question will be given. Just start it. Start it. This is the next question. 8 points will be given. Kindly start this question. Plot the points. Join the points. And with straight line, it will become a rectangle. We have to find the area of that rectangle. Okay. Whenever I make mistake, kindly tell me. The question got repeated. So you have to plot 4 points. It will become a rectangle and you have to answer the area. You have to tell me the area of the rectangle. It's very easy. You all can do this. You are saying 1 by 2. Okay. Again, can you stand and say, you know the area, right? Length into breadth.
12 by 2, madam.
Can you show me the notebook?
12 by 2, madam.
Okay, you are saying 12 by 2.
Twelve, madam, boys. 12, madam.
Okay, let me check first. So the point is 0, comma 0.
Madam,
Yes,
boys 12, madam.
y is 12.
Yes, madam.
What's y? See, the area is length into breadth for rectangle. What is the correct answer? Nobody is giving me a correct answer.
Madam,
Yes,
boys told 12, madam.
y is equal to
12, madam.
12. How? One second. I am plotting the points.
Girls 20, madam. Boys 12, madam.
Boys are at 20 points, girls are at 12 points. 8 points will be given to the correct answer. And what is the answer? Kindly tell me.
12, madam. 12, madam. 12, madam. Boys.
So you are saying 12 is the correct answer, right?
Boys said 12, madam. Answer.
Okay, wait. Now let me plot the points. 0, comma 0 is this. 0, comma 3 will be this. Now 4, comma 3 will be this point. And 4, comma 0 will be this point. So this is the complete rectangle. Everybody is getting this rectangle? Okay, so what will be the length? Length will be 4 and breadth will be 3. So we are getting 4 into 3, that is 12 square units. Right?
Madam.
Both have answered correctly, but girls have given the first answer and they are able to tie with you. But boys are at 28 points. So at the end, they won. Okay. So 28 and 20 boys are the winner, but girls also tried their best till the end point. So clapping for everyone. This chapter is officially finished, and I suppose that you will complete your assignment and you'll be able to do your weekly test. So all the best to everyone, and I'll meet in the next lecture with some new topic. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.